X-431 Station, one-stop vehicle diagnostic solution. Nowadays, one-stop service has been a global trend in different trades. It would be great news for both car owners and technicians if the workshops are able to provide one-stop solution, including vehicle diagnosis, repairs, and other maintenance services. Therefore, Launch Tech has rolled out the X-431 Station, a mobile diagnostic platform that integrates various tools required for vehicle diagnosis, including Diagnostic Scan Tool, Roxy W, TPMS tool, printer, and other add-on modules. It is a full-featured and practical solution which brings great convenience for your business. X-431 Station supports diagnosis for both passenger vehicles and commercial vehicles as X-431 diagnostic tools do. It equips with all the key functions like intelligence diagnosis, online programming, remote diagnosis, and so on. With a wide coverage for vehicle models, the powerful bidirectional controls, and the strong diagnosis ability, X-431 Station provides the most accurate diagnostic results for troubleshooting. It can also work together with X-431 ADAS Pro to perform ADAS calibrations. The large 23.6-inch IPS display with a brand new UI design offers an excellent viewing experience. With a multitask display, users can switch to another app or return to home screen while running the diagnosis process. X-431 Station is capable to remind users of Roxy W and TPMS report with message notification. The report displays all the results generated by diagnostic tool, Roxy W and TPMS device in one, which can be printed out via the equipped laser printer. Trolley with holders and brake for the entire basic equipment is able to mobile around the workshop. The power lift provides a great flexibility to adjust the height of tablets. The 3-layer dryer with practical design keeps all the adapters, SmartBox 3.0, and other tools shipshape, which brings convenience in day-to-day workshop handling down to the smallest detail. The embedded outlet and USB 3.0 hub enables other devices or add-on modules to power up or to communicate with the host through USB connection. When the vehicle drives in, the reception will firstly start a quick intelligent inspection with Roxy W, and then use Pilot TPMS to check the tire pressure and tire temperature if the vehicle equips with TPMS. After inspection, the report will be sent automatically to the diagnostic center with notification. Technician can check the reports and have an initial idea of the vehicle condition to make a good preparation. If any doubt, technician is also able to contact with reception on the Roxy W site via diagnostic center. After the above work is done, the vehicle will be driven in the workshop. Technician will carry out a specific systematic diagnosis to the vehicle with diagnostic center according to the communications and reports they are provided before to identify issues and confirm repairs with high accuracy. If the vehicle equips with ADAS, technician will use X-431 ADAS Pro to perform the ADAS diagnosis and calibration. After the deep diagnosis and troubleshooting, technician will combine all the reports in one with extra comments and print it out through the equipped printer. The one-stop service provided by X-431 greatly meet the business needs of different workshops. With all those advantage features, such as the advanced CPU, big memory, large touchscreen, Windows-style user interface and usage habits, multitasking screen, mouse and keyboard available, etc. X-431 Station is aiming at bringing a superior intelligent experience for automotive aftermarket and creating a real customer satisfaction.